How beautiful is this? A Chloé Paddington East West. The it bag of its day. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I'm going to come back here so you can see. I'm 5'4", UK 8'10", so you can get an idea of the size. It comes with Chloé dust bag. It comes with original care docs. It comes with original receipt from Harrods, and it's absolutely beautiful. So it has got, of course, the Chloé padlock there, and it's got Chloé key. Okay, it's in absolutely fantastic condition. So the exterior and the interior is excellent condition. I'll actually show you the base. So you can see there, no signs of marks or scuffs or anything. It's been a really, really cared for bag. It's just fantastic. So interior, exterior, excellent. We call the hardware very good, just because there is some little, it's not going to show up, little signs of wear and tear on the hardware, but you see, you can't even see it. It's not even showing you. It's just that it's not absolutely perfect. So let's show you what actually happens in the bag. So on the front, there's a pocket here, and there is the same pocket on the back there. And then if we open inside, there is a double zip pull to open it, and inside there's a nice cavernous space with one zipped pocket and one little flat pocket there. And then on the bottom, again, double zip pull for a little secret spot underneath. Let me see if I can open that to show you. There's the padlock. There we go. So you've got this pocket underneath. Again, excellent condition. Ooh, the lighting's gone a bit bizarre. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful bag, excellent condition. If you didn't get one, if you missed out, if you've been looking for a Chloé Paddington, congratulations. There's a link in the comments below. You can hit the link, take you straight to the product page.